Tired of struggling with traditional floss? A water flosser can make oral care faster, easier, and more effective, removing up to 99.9% of plaque while being gentle on gums. After weeks of testing, we've found the top water flossers for every need, from powerful deep cleans to ultra-quiet designs. Number 1. Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser. Testing the Aquarius felt like upgrading your regular dental care to spa-level treatment. The customizable pressure control was a game-changer. On lower settings, it's gentle for sensitive gums, and on higher settings, it blasts away plaque with serious force. It took just under a week to notice a cleaner, fresher mouthfeel. Users with braces or crowns especially praised the precision tips. The device does take up some counter space, and it's not exactly travel-friendly, but for home use, it's unbeatable. Why you should buy it? If you're serious about maintaining top-notch oral hygiene and want the best all-around device for your bathroom, the Waterpik Aquarius delivers on every front: performance, reliability, and professional-grade results. Number 2. Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000. From the moment it turned on, the noise level, or lack thereof, stood out. This model runs significantly quieter than other electric water flossers. Despite the low volume, it doesn't compromise on effectiveness. The quad stream made it easier to clean broader areas faster, and the ergonomic design felt modern and compact. It lacks the wide variety of tips that Waterpik offers, but for those seeking a more minimalistic experience, it's a perfect fit. Why you should buy it? Choose the Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000 if you want a quiet, stylish, and straightforward water flosser that still delivers a professional-level clean without waking up the household. Number 3. Quip Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser. The Quip water flosser feels more like a lifestyle product than a dental gadget. It's compact, easy to use, and fits well in a gym bag or carry-on. During testing, the water pressure was surprisingly effective for its size. While it doesn't offer as many pressure modes or interchangeable tips, the dual stream and pulse modes were enough to keep things fresh between full brushings. Plus, it's one of the few flossers you wouldn't mind displaying on your bathroom counter. Why you should buy it? If you're a traveler, minimalist, or just someone who doesn't want a big machine on your bathroom sink, the Quip Cordless Water Flosser offers portable power with clean aesthetics. Number 4. Waterpik Ultra Water Flosser. What makes this flosser a winner is how close it comes to premium performance at a more budget-friendly price point. While it's a bit bulkier than sleeker models, it performs just as well where it counts. Users loved the variety of included tips and appreciated the consistency of water flow. It's easy to set up, intuitive to use, and excellent for families who want multiple users on one device. Why you should buy it? For those who want a high-powered countertop flosser without splurging on extra features, the Waterpik Ultra provides unbeatable value and proven plaque-fighting performance.